take y'all on this journey to LA. Y'all gonna roll LA. Babalou today. And I know I appear to be acting like I'm tough as hell, but I'm scared as hell right now. I'm just praying nobody in red or blue jump out, walk out, decide they want to take a piss in this damn alley. I freak out. Okay, what the hell is that coming up? Seems like a never-ending damn alley with all this, man. It's just, wow. Stuff you see in the movies. Look like two big-ass hamsters. Oh, they dogs. Two big-ass hamsters, I thought. Nah, Mom. Come on, move out the way, little fella. Man, this ain't pretty. And I'm praying this, I'll be able to get up out this alley someday this year. You know LA by the peaks, alleys and valleys. You go Figueroa Street, you go to Fig, and you already see what's popping out there on Fig, man. You already see what's popping on Fig. That's like all day, all morning, afternoon, night on Figueroa. Now we're gonna go through. Oh, Lord have mercy. Look like trouble. It's not hard to find here. Okay, it was cool. I'm trying to get the hell around. Alright, shit. Lord have mercy. These projects here, these developments. Now I'm trying to go to Krispy Kreme, donut spot. It's always something going on over here with this damn liquor store too. Trying to avoid a bunch of bull crap. Yeah, man, it's that food mart. Very disgruntled young lady. Seems like she's upset about something. I don't know. I got my car window so muffled that I don't even think you guys can hear me. My tents is on. I'm trying to stay lowest carpet. You don't want to piss nobody off. And this is the land of the gangbang. And look like I just made the wrong damn turn. Oh, Lord have mercy. Just like I thought, we bumped right into a problem. This girl looked like she, oh, Lord. Oh, God, please don't come over here. Oh, Lord, help. God, please see to it that they just walk past. Oh, please don't have them look in the car. Please, Lord. Oh, they just coming in from every damn way. Oh, man, thank God, man. God is good all the time. All righty. Man. Let's see. I don't want to have nobody think that I'm on no bull crap. I'm just trying to,